The next question is about composite functions. So we haven't done this for a while, so hopefully after reviewing you will remember how to do it. You can pause the video to write down the question. So we got f of x, g of x, and h of x. The first one say f of g of x. So anybody remember how this go? We're using f as a base and plug in g of x. So you plug in g of x. So we got our f for g of x is the same as 3x, right? So we can replace our g of x as 3x. So normally when we have f of x equal to 4x squared minus 5x, right? So whenever we see x, we need to replace it with 3x. So let's try that. We're going to have 4 times something squared minus 5 times something, right? And that something need to be replaced with 3x. Sorry, kind of tight there. So whenever you see x, you replace with what's in here, which is 3x, right? So now we have 4 times, need to multiply 3x times 3x is going to be 9x squared minus 5 times 3x is 15x. Alright, so we have 4 times 9 is 36x squared minus 15x. So do not try to solve it. This is not an equation. So that's all we have. 36x squared minus 15x. Alright, so that's the first one. The second one say f of h of 4. So it's basing on, g of h of 4. So it's basing on g. And then we need to plug in this part, h of 4. So for me, I will first find what is h of 4. So on the side, I'm going to say, let's find what is h of 4 using my h function, which is square root of something, and the x need to be replaced with 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so h of 4 is the same as 2, right? So I can use this information and plug it in here, right? So now we have g of 2. So g of 2, I need to look at my g function. My g function is 3x, right? Meaning I need to use 3 times whatever this replaced with my x, which is 2. So together we're going to have 6. So this is the final answer. So look at this first and see if you have questions before we move on.